Picture this, it's after lunch. That sugary juice you had has officially bailed on you, and you're starting at your homework like it's written in Alien. You feel droopy, so you beg for soda or some candy, right? You're trying to find more energy. But what if I told you that you're looking in all the wrong places? What if the real secret to all day energy isn't a can, but building a body that makes its own awesome energy? Forget the quick fixes, we are going to build some super muscles. By the way, my name is Boris Kish. I'm a licensed IBB fitness coach, nutritionist, and a super heavyweight bodybuilding competitor. Welcome to my channel. The reason number one is the sugar crash. Sugar gives you fake energy fast, then crashes you hard. Trust me, it's a trap. Quick boost, then you're even more tired. The cycle repeats and ruins your sleep and focus. Just think it this way. When you take too much sugar, the body doesn't know what will it do with it, okay? And therefore, first of all, it stores it into the fat depots and, because it's not going to spend it, and later you will just be obligated, you will just have headaches because you will have to lose all that fat. That's one of the reasons why I don't take sugar at all, and you shouldn't be as well. And the next reason is, it also gives you high, like some kind of substance. When you take all of that sugar, that was not, by the way, how our ancestors were taking sweets from the fruits and from the best natural sugar, that is honey, of course, from the bees that were, harvesting flowers, not some sugar or syrup as some of them are feeding the bees today. Unfortunately, when you take all that sugar, you get a high, and later, of course, when the sugar quickly gets out of the system, you get a low, and then you feel zombified and you're good for nothing. So honestly, avoid sugar no matter what. Replace it with complex carbs and replace it with decent meals that contain proper fat and carbohydrates. Don't take anything sweet that is super quick to take unless you really had a super, intensive workout session, and then you can take some a little bit afterwards, but as maltodextrin or dextrose or maybe with argon. Don't avoid white sugar no matter what. Reason number two is build more muscles. More muscles build more energy. Muscles burn fuel all day, even when you're resting, okay? The more muscle you have, the more energy you naturally create. Candy burns like paper, muscles burn like firewood. Strong muscles, steady power, and better use of food for energy. Let me give you an example. This is comparison like normal small car versus monster truck. As more muscles you have, you'll automatically be, like a super proper machine, like an Iron Man, and you will, be, obligated to move more, to move that energy, and, more muscles require more energy. Therefore, you will automatically not go into the lazy mode, because building big muscles, require, of course, a lot of energy, and a lot of dedication, and of course, a lot of power, and a lot of mind focus. And automatically when you build those muscles, you will, as I said, have more energy. Nobody is asking you to be built as Mr. Olympia or as a super heavyweight bodybuilder if that's not your goal. I didn't said that, but build, decent amount of muscles so that you're tight, that you're full, that you're round, that you look the best that you can be, and you definitely deserve that. And that way you will feel much more energized. Reason number three is smart training for energy. So I would like to say, you don't need to kill yourself in the gym. Use 3 to 5 rule, 3 to 5 exercises, 3 to 5 sets, 3 to 5 reps, like short, simple, that wakes up your brain and body. More energy, no more exhaustion. As I said, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5. Doesn't have to be any kind of super concept that is going to exhaust you if you really don't have time or power for that. But as I said, do this 3-5 method, and when you train more, automatically the body will produce more energy for the upcoming day, and even for the next day, and even for the next week. I mean, these are the three, I would say, secrets that will help you, to maintain the healthy energy level, to really, so that you function like a beast without putting any kind of stupid substances inside you. So therefore, we are coming to the final conclusion, and that's stop chasing fake energy, build it, train smart, eat right, and of course, stay sharp. I mean, be good looking and sexy, as I'm pretty sure that you can be and that you deserve to be. If you need any kind of help or coaching or assistance, my email is in the description. Feel free to hit me a message, and I will be more than happy to work one-on-one with you. And if this video helped you, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down, because my channel is really brand new and this will definitely help me to grow. I wish all the best. I really hope you learned something from this video today. God bless you. Bye.